outside my friend's house where a couple from Belgium is staying right now, and I'm here to pick them up, and then we will be heading to the walled city. We don't have any fixed plans yet. First we will go for the breakfast, and then we will see and decide where to go next. You like pie?
Yes, yes.
Alright, so we are here in the Anarkali food street right now, and we have ordered pie and murag chane or chicken chickpeas. Eva here, she already knew about pie, so we thought about trying this. And let me introduce you guys to our guests today. So here are the guests, Eva and Nikolai. Can you guys introduce yourself a bit?
Yeah, so I'm Eva and Eva, and we're both from Belgium.
Right.
And we're making a trip through Pakistan for 2 months.
So here is your first breakfast in Lahore.
Sorry?
Here is your first breakfast in Lahore.
Yes, our first breakfast.
So I will be taking reviews after we are done with it.
Yeah, yeah.
Today I am accompanied by Nikolai and
Hello.
Eva from Belgium. We will talk to them later. First we will go inside and see the place, and then we will talk to them. Here we are inside the Jahangir's tomb. Once again, I'm not going to explain a lot of things here because I've already done that in one of my previous videos. This is the ticket for Pakistanis, and for foreigners it is 500 rupees. This is the Akbari Sarai, and if you want to know what a sarai is or what Akbari Sarai was used for, go back to my video with the two British ladies, Sarah and Emma. I have explained all this place pretty well in that.
This is just the start.
So we are at the top of one of the minarets of the Jahangir's tomb here in Shadra, Lahore, and we can feel good cool breeze up here, otherwise it's pretty hot outside. So we thought that this is a good place for asking a few questions to the guests. So here I am going to ask them a few questions, and let's see what they have to say about Pakistan. So Nikolai and Eva, how was your day today so far?
Really hot and really good. Like, it's beautiful up here. It's just like from a travel magazine or something. So
Right.
beautiful.
And okay, first of all, tell us a little bit about yourselves and what you are doing in Pakistan.
Okay, so my name is Eva, this is Nicola. We're both 24 and we just graduated. So we have one last big holiday and we wanted to come to a land that has it all, and Pakistan really has it all.
Right.
So we came to see the culture, the food, the nature,
people as
the
well.
people.
It's amazing how we are treated here. I feel like we're just like a king or something and a queen. The people are so friendly, I still can't believe it.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, Belgium can learn something about Pakistani hospitality.
Right. And what was your view or perception of Pakistan before coming here?
Like in Western media, Pakistan always gets in the news when something bad happens, like violence against the woman or like terrorism or something like that. So we only know the good side of Pakistan through the YouTube videos that we watched, and now we're here. We can say like, look at the YouTube videos, don't look at the news, because Pakistan is way more than it gets portrayed in the Western media.
Right, right. And what was people's reaction when you told them you are coming to Pakistan?
well, our parents were scared, to say the least.
Right.
They were really worried about us because they also just saw in the news about Pakistan and they thought it's a really dangerous country. Also, Eva's parents were really scared because they think it's a really women and friendly country, but we didn't have a bad experience at all here for like in regards of the treatment of women, so that's really good.
Right. And how many days have you already spent in Pakistan?
Like
1 week now.
1 week.
Right. And you were in Karachi before Lahore.
Karachi, and this is our first day.
And how was it in Karachi?
Karachi is also, it's way different than Lahore.
Right.
Like Karachi is a very big city with a lot of people, and Lahore is a bit more chill and a bit more green, but both are really pretty. on their
Right.
own way.
And there is not much difference when we talk about hospitality.
No,
It's everywhere in Pakistan.
it's everywhere, and they show it to you with the food, with like helping you out. We were so like thankful. We're so thankful and so surprised by the hospitality here.
So you will recommend people to visit Pakistan?
Yes, for
If
sure.
I say like from 1 to 10, how much you will recommend more people, more friends to visit Pakistan?
11.
Thank you so much, guys. So guys, we are here at Chai Hujra today. Alright, here it is. So I have invited Eva and Nicola here, who really wanted to experience some Sufi music and Dhamal that used to happen outside the darbars of Sufi saints. But because of this COVID thing, and also because those places or those events were becoming favorite place for the drug addicts, those Dhamals are almost banned all around the city. So this is one place where they have live Qawwali every Friday. So the Qawwals are getting ready and my guests will be here anytime soon. They were invited at a birthday before coming here. So they had to come on their own by Uber or Careem or something.
अब किसी से नवाजा है